you doing? Hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. So in this video I'm doing right now, I'm going to see how my siblings react when I act ratchet. I'm kind of nervous how my sisters react, how my sister is going to react, and my brother. I think my sister's going to react like, why are you acting like that? Huh? I don't know about my brother, but we will see, I guess. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. Okay, guys.
Nice. We are gonna learn how to drive.
So we're in the car. So why you acting like that? Huh?
Stop clicking.
I ain't doing nothing. Oh my!
I said don't click.
Why are you so loud?
Yeah,
Oh, cause I can.
That's
I'm sorry, guys. Please, sorry.
You're not country. Stop trying to be country.
I'm not. I got some English.
We're about to go to Chick-fil-A now.
Yeah, as she said.
Yeah, stop doing that.
I do all I said. I do what I do.
It makes no sense, but okay.
So see you guys when we in Chick-fil-A.
3 minutes. Yeah, man. Damn.
Okay. So now we're next.
Stop talking country.
So I don't care. Don't tell me what to do.
Just trying to talk country.
Okay, we're next.
Andre.
Hurry up. Oh, not
So-
you. I'm talking to you. Hurry up and order.
Two spicy chicken deluxe meal. What does it come with? Does it come with the fries, right?
Yeah, every meal comes with fries.
Yeah, I get 2 of those.
Oh my God, this is
I don't really care. Any type. Just drop cheese.
Oh my God.
Any drinks for those 2?
Lemonade? 1 lemonade, 1 fruit punch. I don't know if you have fruit punch.
Anything else?
Nah, you want anything else?
No, but I love your face mask.
Thank you.
Y'all welcome.
Yeah, I said, man, thank you.
I like your glasses.
Sauces? Any sauce? Any sauce?
No, it's fine.
No sauce.
No sauce?
I like your glasses.
Thank
Oh,
you.
does it come with nuggets?
Huh?
It comes with nuggets?
Meals don't come with nuggets.
Ah.
A nuggets is like a meal by itself. It's like
Ooh.
a
Yeah.
separate meal. So you want it or no?
Yeah, how much for the nuggets?
It's like 8, 12, and 30 for 8 count
Oh
meal.
my God, hurry up. 'Cause you
It's
change your
$7.19.
mind too much.
Nah, it's straight. Oh, that's next time, man.
Alright.
Yeah, big up. Yeah.
Okay. Finally, pretties. So we're almost close to the line. It's hot. You guys feel hot? You guys, Zika, you feel hot? Cause I'm hot.
What are you gonna do?
Huh? Okay. Well, we're almost close to the line. Okay.
Why you acting like that?
Cause I can. You don't control me and you just burp. Ew. Ooh. Open the window.
Yeah, you have attitude. You need to like know. Like don't.
Well, it stinks. It stinks.
You stink. Just be quiet. We're almost there.
I love his face mask. Everybody's face mask looks good today. Good job. This is so funny.
This is serious, whoa.
This is funny. Okay, let's see. The big moment. Let's go.
Damn. It's all mine?
We got Chick-fil-A. Get the food. Okay. I got the drinks. Okay, so we got. I'm gonna show you when we like park. I'm gonna show you guys what we got and stuff like that. So now we're gonna show you guys what we have and stuff. Okay. So first we have lemonade. So this is lemonade. Of course. You want lemonade here? Or you want
Let me get
fruit
half of your burger.
Okay. I'm gonna get what? Fruit punch.
Let me get half of your burger, Ziggy.
Oh my God.
You have your own burger.
Okay, where's my burger?
Come on, Zika. Come on.
Let's see.
No.
I want to see. Whoever does not finish their burger right now is going to get slapped. That's all I got to say.
Okay,
I
what?
want to see y'all finish your burger right now.
Okay.
We're not leaving.
So then we got some fries. I love this fries. Like when I say love, your girl love this fries, okay?
Yeah.
Everybody jigging in already? Like, where's their Zika burger?
Because no one loves their brothers to give them half of their burger. Look how big that
Nope.
burger is. But that's okay.
This is all for me.
It's not about the video no more.
You guys can see me.
I'm like so serious.
Huh? Okay, so let's get a big
You
bite.
can't see me.
Oh wait, come up.
You
Come
can
on.
just angle it that way.
This way?
Ah.
That's what you talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Everybody enjoy their burger. Well, I got freaking chicken nuggets.
Anybody told you to get chicken nuggets?
Because we didn't have enough money to get another burger.
Let's go.
The hell? It's expensive. You know how much for one burger?
How much is it?
$12.
$12 for this?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. For
I mean,
one.
It is good.
For one.
Okay, what is that do?
Don't be like that.
So if you don't finish your burger, I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna drive off. I'm so serious too.
I want a fruit punch.
Now, what you doing? You done eating your burger?
No, I'm gonna give some to Zika because she don't have none.
She has a burger.
I have a burger. Oh, okay.
What? Now you want to share with her? I should have been. You could have been to share with her. I could have got myself a burger instead of buying chicken nuggets. Now she wants to share with you. Come on.
I didn't know she had like a burger.
You should have told me that before. I would have actually got myself. Oh my god.
Oh wait, too late.
Can I get half of the burger? Can I get some of the burger? Is that the fruit punch?
Yeah.
That was my fruit punch.
Give him the fruit punch. He's the one that paid for all of it.
Okay.
I paid for all this and I can't even have a burger. Yes, you know it's okay. No, I don't want the fruit. I don't want the fruit punch.
Okay then, so don't
I
ask.
paid for all this. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Eat that burger.
I'm just taking off the tomatoes.
Look, you gonna take out tomatoes? You can let me have a bite.
Tomatoes? I'm gonna give you a bite. Calm down.
Oh, now she wants to say, "Oh yeah, you can have a piece of burger." Oh, you just got.
Here,
Calm
take a
down.
big bite.
Okay.
Oh, I got a
Burger. I got a burger.
Oh, now he's happy.
Ah, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, that's a big bite. You're not big. Oh my god, this is so funny.
Stop!
Ooh. No, that's why I don't share with him because he eat all of it. Like, he just goes for it. Like, oh my god. This needs to say
Mm.
Huh?
Why are you gonna act like that?
Because I can. Okay, so I'm
You
thinking about
finish that
that.
burger?
Yeah, of
Look
course.
how big he bited it. So slippery.
Let me
Look
bite
at
some
him.
chicken.
You can like, I didn't bite everywhere. Little
Still gonna
messy.
have my precious
You're
burger.
about a big bite.
Yep, he gonna have a big bite. Oh, make the camera see.
No, this is between me and my food.
I'm tired, guys.
Mm.
Comment down below how your school been. Ooh.
This is my last nugget. I wish I could freeze time with me and this nugget.
Are you not seriously gonna leave it until she finishes? I guess that's it. Put up the camera over there. Oh,
Ready?
ooh. So my brother.
What's your lemonade?
So my brother won't leave until I eat this full burger,
What's your lemonade?
or until I give him a piece of my burger. But guys, right now I'm gonna finish this burger in peace. Like,
Why you sound like that? You want your juice?
okay, I'm gonna give you a little. If he takes a big bite, me and you got a problem, sir. Okay, I'm gonna give him a little bite, okay? Cause I'm nice, okay? Here you go. Take a little bite.
Oh!
Only a little bite.
Okay.
I said. I like how I'm watching very closely, bruh.
Bring the camera again. This is.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! We're back at it, people.
Here we go
We're
again
back at
with
it.
his
I always feel
nonsense.
hyped up. I always feel hyped up. This
Take a little.
is a burger.
Have it. I'm not doing that. Have it. Because you just took the whole big bite of that burger. How am I gonna have
The camera.
How am I gonna have that bit? How am I gonna have that little
The lemonade is so
thing?
good though.
How am I gonna have this little
Mine is.
thing? This bread tripping.
Guys, it's
my-
fine. It's
oh my-
cool.
Oh
Throw
my
away.
god.
We're going home
Can I
now.
turn it off?
Look at this, guys.
Well, I ain't gonna lie. We going home.
I'm not.
She folds. You see how she folds? You gotta fight the oppression. You ain't leaving until I gotta buy that burger. Or you finish the burger. You see? See how she folded? My guys, man. You know you gotta be on top of that, man. You gotta,
The
you
fries
gotta
is
be on that. Oh, I got that bite. I'm happy. Let's go. Let's get it. Give me a fry. We ain't
No.
leaving. We ain't leaving this. Give me a fry.
no,
We're not leaving
sir.
unless you give me one fry.
No,
You know,
sir.
I got fries. I'm usually giving you no damn fries.
Exactly. So don't ask for mine, because you know.
I ain't got 3 fries left. We're going. Let's
I'm not got 10.
get out of here.
If you can't be there.
Let's get out of here.
This is trash. The juice is trash.
You can turn off the video now. Alright, we going home. I'm inviting my
The juice
man.
is trash.
Yeah, everything's trash.
Okay. Guys, so you made it to the end, and that's great because I have something to tell you all. So I just wanted to see how you guys will react if I act ratchet. And you guys.
Oh my god! Really? That is so crazy.
Guys, I spilled
You spilled juice back there?
ice.
Oh.
It's fine.
Wait, I see something in here.
And my brother stole my juice, so he just wasted all
put the window
his
down?
money. But yeah, Andre, you have anything to say?
No,
Real
bye.
sexy after all this time.
So what do you have to say anything about this thing? How you guys
Oh,
react?
look at me.
I'm just shocked.
Guys,
I'm flabbergasted right now. Like, I did not know you was doing this, Lexi. Oh my god, I'm so flabbergasted. I'm flabberbusted. Like, my flabber's busted.
Oh my god, do you know how to drive?
Power on me, strong. I like it.
This was a big
Guys,
this thing is so good. Well, you guys made it to the end, so don't forget to subscribe.
like,
And turn on all notifications if you could.
see us more.
And
Notification when we post. The link
Yep.
is so cute.
so yeah. Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Put my